You think in terms of the two people, your parents came together, birth parents, and they were pretty good, or not so bad, or whatever level they were at, and so part of what we need to consider is what imperfections did they have, and we need to purify and transmute those. One of the aspects was the pregnancy unwanted? So the first thing is there anybody that disapproved of their relationship, like grandma or whoever? This other karmic, as some people call them, this other relationship from before, or they have vows of abstinence and so on from previous lifetimes. So there's many different aspects there, so we can purify more and more and more fully. As we expand, you know this already, as we expand, we become bigger, we become more connected with other souls. So we need to clear for not only for ourselves, but for our soul group and an extended soul group and our monad and etc. So you can choose to do that now. As you clear, let me clear broadly. And then again, let me clear more broadly. So one of the aspects is you think in terms of is there some part of me that's not interested in being here? I hate being alive, for example. I wish I hadn't been born. So there's quite a few aspects in terms of that. So you can go to the manual to look through all of the issues. But if there were, like for some people, the clan, it's the clan that didn't approve of the relationship because one was, whatever, Baha'i, and the other one was Muslim, for example, or we worked with a couple some years ago who one was Jewish and one was Muslim, for example. The two groups were in conflict. So to come together is a terrible thing. So you come together in terms of love and so on. Or was it simply the timing of the pregnancy? Like I spoke with somebody yesterday who was the third child. First child was born. Year and a half later, second child was born. Year and a half later, third child was born. Oh my gosh. So think in terms of how compressed everything is, how overwhelming for the mother, for the parents, how disconnecting for the parents. So they wanted kids. They wanted to have 7 kids or whatever it is. And it's just incredibly overwhelming. There's no, like the bonding between the couple, just, guess what? Now consider whether there were complications during the mother's pregnancy. So they lost their job. Not enough money now. What are we going to do? Oh my gosh, and I'm pregnant. This is the terrible thing. Terrible timing. Or one of them is going through higher education, master's degree or whatever. And all of a sudden pregnant and or the mother gets sick. One of the things I've seen is that a mother can get sick because part of her does not want to have a baby. 90% of her, oh, I'm so happy to have a baby. 10% say, oh, this is horrendous. So this is relate to subpersonalities. We'll deal with that later, next class. So, and that's a crucial issue. Are we fully in sync in terms of being here? Was our mother fully in sync in terms of wanting us, our father? Was there a part of them when they discovered that the pregnancy, they went yikes for 5 minutes, and then they'd say, okay, so this is good. We come to terms with it and so on. But the yikes, your soul caught, your soul got it and shut down as a result. I shouldn't be here. I'm an intrusion, yet again and again and again. Right, so various things can happen. So living in a place where there's war, the dad has to go away for a job, and etc., etc.